Hey guys, I'm back in the video and this is going to be a review on the Nature Box subscription. So, I know I look like tired, and I am tired. I just got off of work, if you guys didn't know already. I do have a job now. I work at McDonald's. I just started like actually today. So, yeah, I had minimal makeup on. I quickly did my eyebrows. I had like brown in my crease, some eyeliner on. And I had on a brown lip, but right now I have on blue sticks, and I just wanted to come on here. I know the quality is probably, it's not great. The lighting, not great. I know, but I just wanted to come on here and quickly get this video up for you guys. So, this is how the box came. It takes between 5 to 10 days, business days to get to. It took about 6 days to get to me, actually. So I decided, like, I seen a couple reviews on it, and I was like, the snacks look good, so like I wanted to try it. So I seen like a free trial, and you just pay $2 for shipping. So I decided to try it. I will leave the link down below so you guys can try it as well. So this is how the box came, and it comes with this little card here. It's saying, "Welcome to Nature Box. Starting next month, you'll receive your first Nature Box of five full-size snacks. Your membership starts at $19.95 per month. Choose your snacks. Customize your Nature Box from our assortment of over 100 healthy and delicious snack options, like sriracha roasted cashews, Big Island pineapple, and Santa Fe corn sticks by adding them into your snack pantry." Then it has their contact information, their phone number, email, and to take a survey, Twitter, Facebook. I think this is supposed to be Instagram and Pinterest. So yeah. Now, I couldn't resist. I wanted to try something, so I tried the full size that I got was the strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels, and they're freaking so good. Now, I can't say I did leave these like in the box. I didn't have one that I was eating, but I left them in the box, and they're not as hard as they were. They just look like this. They're kind of still soft. Huh. I think these would be so good in the freezer. Sorry, I'm talking. So, you can taste the strawberry. The strawberry is very, like, you can taste it. You know it's strawberry. Sorry, I need some water. You guys will see me drinking a lot of water. So, but yeah, you can really taste the strawberry. These are really good. I think this is a great snack to just throw in your bag if you're going on a trip, to work, anywhere. These are 140 calories per serving. A serving size is 6 pretzels, and this has about 4 servings. So if you guys are on, like trying to watch your figure, or you just want to watch what you're eating, these are great for you. They're only 140 calories for 6, and you get 4 servings. So yeah, this is great for that. So here's a little thing on the back. It says, "What's your favorite way to enjoy strawberry Greek yogurt? We love the creamy treat on its own, but we're loving it even more on these crunchy pretzels. Inspired by the delicious sweetness from fresh strawberries, you'll want to stock up on our other Greek yogurt flavors, pretzel flavors." So yeah, loving this one. The next thing I have is the next 3 items, including this one before, are, like single ones. So it just comes in this little pack, and this is garden tomato crunchies. These are tomato flavored almonds, and this is 1 serving size for a pack. So if you eat the whole thing of this, it's 160 calories. So this says, doesn't really have a description about this. Yeah, it has no GMO. Oh, okay, it's at the top. Pop these open. Okay. They smell like an almond. Okay. In my opinion, you can't really taste the tomato. More so because I don't really eat tomatoes, so I don't really know what a tomato tastes like. But it's like these little specks on here. You guys probably can't see it, but so in reality, I wish that this would have like a little bit more flavor of tomato, because it is a tomato flavor almond and you don't really taste tomato at all. It's very minimal. The next thing is jalapeno cashews. These are jalapeno flavored cashews, and these are 160 calories as well. I'm guessing these has GMO. It doesn't say no GMO. Yeah. So let's try these out. Okay, these are freaking, like, I can smell it. We're gonna taste the jalapeno. It's pretty hot. Oh god. Sorry guys. It's pretty spicy. So if you guys love spicy things, these are good for you. If not, not good. They're good though. I wish there was another nut, because I don't really eat cashews. But I like that one. The next one are Parmesan garlic pops. Parmesan garlic popcorn kernels. And these are 150 calories. These are non-GMO. So, yeah, let's try these out. Okay. These just actually like this. They're crunchy, of course. And they're just like, they're popped open kernels, so it's like about to create a popcorn, but it just stops. You can taste the garlic, the parmesan, they're crunchy and delicious. Sorry guys. Ooh. And belly. But sorry about that. But I like these. This is my favorite one. I like the pretzels. I like these more. Okay. Let me stop being greedy. But okay. The last thing I got is the cranberry melody. These are pomegranate and okay. Don't know that word, but flavored dry cranberries or blueberries. So these are 100 calories. That's not bad. Okay. I don't really eat blueberries, but okay, yeah, so it's just like blueberries and cranberries, so it's not nothing too spectacular. I'm just putting it back because I poured too much out. Oh my god. It's so sweet. It's so good. I think this would be so good to put over a salad or something. But yeah, they just like this. It's a blueberry. Now I know I don't like blueberries. But yeah, back to the Pop Pops. So, okay, yeah. Out of, sorry, out of all the things that I got, my favorite has to be the Parmesan garlic Pop Pops. Like, they're so good. Oh my god. Okay. And then after that will be a strawberry Greek yogurt, pretzels, and then the jalapeno cashews. Next is really between these two, the cranberry melony and the jalapeno cashews, and then last will be the tomato almonds. But overall, I think this is a great subscription to join. If you guys have any questions or comments related to this, leave them in the down bar. Any other questions, you can email me. I'll leave that in the down bar as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys for next time. Bye.